Hi, everybody. I want to welcome you to the video. This is about the Income Factory. Create your own income risk-free. I am your host, Leon Hubby, and this is my lovely wife, Carolyn. And I know you don't know anything about me, so I've put my LinkedIn profile up at the top so you can go and look us up and figure out who we are and what we're about. In the meantime, I'd like to tell you a little bit about us. We've been married for 40 years. We're very family focused and deeply involved in our communities. I'm a martial artist with a black belt in Shorin-ryu no Kobayashi Karate and a blue belt in Kuk So Wan. Carolyn is an absolute wizard at all sorts of crafts. I like to restore older boats, American muscle cars, and vintage equipment, and Carolyn loves to volunteer in the community. We're entrepreneurs, business advisors, and grandparents, and we absolutely love that last title the most. Our regular gigs are business consulting and development, childcare, family services, wealth protection, and technology. We've been in business for over 25 years, and we've co-founded a company valued at $10 million and run childcare's totaling revenues of upwards of $2 million. So you know that we've had our successes, and frankly and honestly, we know what not to do as well. I'm an engineer by training with over 37 years of tech and business management experience, and Carolyn's a 40 years expert in childcare development with an associate's degree in liberal studies. Now, there are some important points to keep in mind. First, we're going to give you just facts. It's not our intent to sell you on anything in the video series. We're simply going to introduce you to the Income Factory strategy, and that is how to manufacture your own income. You decide if this is something that you want to consider. Now, this is important. The team will not pursue you. If you're interested, you'll need to contact whoever sent you to this site to continue with us. You can ask any questions that you have, and we'll answer to the best of our abilities. Now, be aware we use MLM, also called network marketing or direct selling, to generate revenue and create leverage. If you have an issue with this model, and some people do, we advise you to hit the pause button and move on. It is not for you. We're not going to justify using MLM. We've done our homework and verified that it's legal, moral, and ethical. If you don't know what MLM is, just ask and we'll hook you up with a video that explains it. We set this up to be risk-free, and we know it works if you follow the plan. No money comes out of your current budget to do this. Realize what we're proposing is not a silver bullet, though. It'll take time and effort. This focuses on channeling new income to wealth generation. If you need money now, get a second job or do a gig-based side hustle and come back to this. Now, we put this together for two main reasons, and we want you to know what they are. Number one, to show you how to put yourself in control of your income generation. Because if all you have is a job, you are not in control of your income. Your job is. And secondly, to build a prospective team of accredited investors to work with us. All right, so let's talk about the video series. There are 3 videos in this series. Video number 1, about the Income Factory, the one you're currently watching, introduces you to the series, the Income Factory strategy, your host, and the reasons for the creation of the Income Factory. Video 2, the Income Factory explained. Now this is where the rubber meets the road. This is details on the Income Factory strategy, what it's about, and how it works. And video 3, putting it all together, a summary of everything, how to get questions answered, and how to get involved if you're interested. Now, all the videos are done in the style of a webinar, and this is a good example of that. All right, so what is the Income Factory all about? Well, the strategy shows you how you can create asset-based income risk-free. Why is it asset-based? Well, the cash is generated by a system that can run automatically. You don't have to do it all yourself. We've made it risk-free by taking advantage of the tax laws to keep more money in your paycheck so that no money from your budget is used to do this. Now you keep your job to pay your bills, and you use the Income Factory to help build your wealth. All you need to do is one thing: execute the Income Factory risk-free strategy. You create a home-based internet business promoting this site and the strategy. You're simply going to send people to this site for the information. We're going to put any commissions you generate to work for you to generate more cash. And we're going to do that either in the investing platforms that we use or then in new businesses, which we call income multipliers. We've designed this to be a team site, so everything is done for you. You don't have to do anything. Just run through this video series, ask a bunch of questions, and decide if you want to work with us. If you do, we'll walk you through everything. If not, no worries. It's totally up to you. We're not going to sell you on the Income Factory. All right, so what's next? Well, we want to thank you for watching. We know that your time is valuable, so we appreciate you taking the time to look at this. If you are interested, please watch the Income Factory Explained video. This details the Income Factory strategy and how it works. Feel free to email or call whoever sent you here to get your questions answered. If you'd like to get a hold of us directly, you can by emailing us at theincomefactoryinfo@gmail.com. All right, that's it. We hope to see you in the next video and have a great day.